How to pass the Red Seal Auto Body and Collision Technician 310B exam, complete study guide. Welcome to your Red Seal 310B exam prep guide. If you're pursuing your Red Seal certification as a licensed auto body and collision technician 310B in Canada, this guide will walk you through proven strategies to help you study effectively and step into that exam room with confidence. Achieving your Red Seal 31B certification is more than just passing a test. It's your gateway to national recognition, career mobility, and high-paying job opportunities in Canada's automotive repair and collision industry. But preparation is key. This exam is rigorous. It covers not only collision repair techniques, but also structural analysis, welding, refinishing, estimating, and safety protocols. Let's walk through a structured study strategy that works. Structured study strategies. Step 1. Focus on the official learning objectives. Start your preparation by reviewing the official Red Seal exam blueprint for 310B. Break down the key areas such as a vehicle structural analysis and damage assessment, a metal finishing and body repair techniques, a welding and cutting procedures, MIG, TIG, resistance spot welding, a panel replacement and alignment, a refinishing processes, surface prep, paint application, blending, estimating repair costs and writing work orders, a safety regulations, WHMIS, PPE, hazardous materials handling. Divide the objectives into smaller segments to organize your study flow and stay on track. Step 2. Build knowledge with trusted resources. Use official Red Seal 310B textbooks, ICAR manuals, and trade-specific collision repair guides. Focus your studies on structural repair techniques for unibody and full-frame vehicles, a welding standards and procedures for automotive applications, a paint mixing, matching, and application methods, a plastic and composite repair processes, a estimating software and collision repair documentation, a corrosion protection and rust repair, a workplace safety practices, ventilation, PPE, chemical handling. Step 3. Reinforce concepts with visual learning. Auto body repair is highly hands-on. Use tutorials and repair videos to build confidence in identifying different types of collision damage, a proper use of body filler and sanding techniques, a welding thin gauge automotive metal, a paint blending and color matching, a using frame machines and measuring systems, a removing and installing body panels. Seeing the application brings the theory to life and strengthens comprehension. Step 4. Practice with exam banks. Work through full sets of 310B practice questions. Doing this will help you a test your exam readiness, a identify weaker subject areas, a learn to interpret questions the Red Seal way, a practice applying theory in real-world collision scenarios. Take timed mock exams to simulate pressure and analyze your mistakes to sharpen your strategy. Step 5. Use flashcards to memorize key terms. Flashcards help reinforce essential terminology like types of welding joints and positions, a paint system components, primer, base coat, clear coat, a common auto body tools and their uses, a safety data sheet, SDS requirements, estimating abbreviations and labor times. Use flashcards regularly during commutes or breaks to strengthen memory and recall. Real-world knowledge for 310B exam success. Master the tools, equipment, and materials. Expect questions on safe use and maintenance of a frame straightening machines and measuring systems, a welding equipment, MIG, TIG, spot welders, a paint spray guns and mixing systems, a dent removal tools, hammers, dollies, stud welders, a sanding and refinishing equipment, a personal protective equipment, respirators, gloves, goggles. Understand each tool's purpose, safe usage, and role in collision repair. Know your repair techniques and safety. The exam will test your ability to A. Assess structural damage and determine repairability. A. Perform proper welding techniques for different metals. A. Match paint colors and apply refinishing products. A. Follow safety protocols when handling hazardous materials. A. Use estimating software to generate accurate repair quotes. Confidence in both repair methods and safety procedures can make the difference between passing and failing. Interpret repair manuals and technical documents. You must be able to read and interpret a vehicle manufacturer repair procedures. A. Welding specifications for different metals. A paint manufacturer technical sheets. A collision estimating guides, e.g. Mitchell, Autotex. A. Safety guidelines for hazardous materials. Understanding these documents directly impacts job performance and your exam results. Safety is always a major focus. You'll need a solid understanding of AWHMIS and hazard symbols. A proper ventilation in paint booths. A. Handling flammable materials safely. A personal protective equipment, PPE requirements. A safe operation of hydraulic and pneumatic tools. Expect safety questions throughout the exam. Safety is non-negotiable in the auto body trade. Key terms and acronyms you must know. Make sure you understand and can define a WHMIS, Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System. A. PPE, Personal Protective Equipment. AMIG, Metal Inert Gas Welding. ATIG, Tungsten, Inert Gas Welding. AICAR, Inter-Industry Conference on Auto Collision Repair. AOEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer. AVIN, Vehicle Identification Number. ASDS, Safety Data Sheet. These acronyms appear throughout your exam and every day on the job. Stay disciplined and motivated. To keep yourself on track, A. Build a realistic weekly study plan. A. Alternate between textbook review, exam questions, and video learning. A. Stick to one focused topic per session. A. Avoid last-minute cramming. A. Reward progress with short breaks or milestones. You've built your skills through hands-on work. Now it's time to prove your knowledge nationally. Call to action. Study smarter with proven tools. Want to maximize your study time? Visit your website here for complete Red Seal Auto Body and Collision Technician 310B exam study kits, including a comprehensive study guides for the 310B exam. A. Practice questions and full mock exams. A flashcards covering welding, refinishing, and safety. A step-by-step video tutorials for collision repair techniques. Thousands of technicians across Canada have used these materials to pass their 310B exam and advance their careers. Final thoughts. The Red Seal Auto Body and Collision Technician exam 310-B is demanding, but with the right strategy, expert resources, and consistent preparation, you'll be ready to succeed. Good luck, and get ready to drive your future with a nationally recognized Red Seal certification.